Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth highlight text animation in CapCut Mobile. So here you just need to write your text in your video. Okay, for example like this, and then go to style. You need to add some background, so here I've already add mine. Go to style and here click on background, choose the second one in here or the first one. I'm going to choose the second one and choose the color of the background that you want. I'm going to use this blue color. Click on the check icon and export the project. So after you export, just click on the new project and open the video that you saved before. Click on add. So here click on the video and then go to mask and select the horizontal. Now rotate the masking like this until negative 90 degrees. Okay, and drag it to the left side. Click on the check icon and add a keyframes. Now move forward and add another keyframe. Go to mask again and move the masking slightly like this. So you can just repeat the steps until you are done, until the whole text is revealed. Okay, the last one. So this is it. This is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button. Bye.